How to send large videos on Gmail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail and try to send the video. If it does not send, open Drive. Click on New at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on Upload. After that, select the large video and upload it. After it's uploaded, at the right side, you'll find 3 dots beside the video. Click on it. Then simply click on Manage Access. After that, click on 3 dots at the top right. Click on Manage Access at the bottom. After that, click on Change, which is at the bottom. Click on Restricted and click on Anyone with the link. After you have done that, copy the link from the top right corner of your screen. After you have copied the link, open Gmail and simply paste the link in here. After that, add who you're gonna send and send. It will be sent in linked form. This is how to send large videos on Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.